Safety material. Food grade 100% polypropylene material, lead and BPA-free. Non-toxic, odorless, no leaching or secondary pollution. Providing a healthy, safe water filtering experience. Multiple advantages. This string wound sediment water filter has 4 times the dirt holding capacity and double the flow rate of PP sediment filter, allowing for longer service life. It's the ideal solution if your feed water is of low quality and contains a lot of sediment. Standard universal size. 5 micron 10 by 2.5 inch universal filter cartridge size, fits most 10-inch filter housings. Used as a prefilter for reverse osmosis, RO, and whole house water filtration systems, and various commercial and industrial applications. Protect water equipment. This filter removes up to 99% of sediment, including rusts, silt, sand, and other undissolved particulates from feedwater. As the first stage filter in the whole house filtration system, it protects your post filters, water appliances, pipes, bathroom, and kitchen faucets and shower fittings from clogging, providing a healthier filtered water supply for your home. Long life filter. Our high dirt loading capacity sediment filters can last up to 20,000 gallons. The filtered capacity and change-out cycle depends on the inlet water quality. Replace the filter at least every 6 months to maintain performance. Higher dirt holding capacity. The string wound filter has a deep graded honeycomb structure, dense near the inside core and more open and sparse near the outside edge, forming an effective depth filtration filter, catching larger particulates first and then smaller near the center core, effectively increasing the dirt holding capacity of the filter. This WPP filter is tested and certified by NSF International against NSF, ANSI Standard 42 for material requirements only. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent filter, can't beat the price. Filters are used in a whole house system. They filter city water, but we live at the end of a dead-end street, so we do get a lot of sediment, rust. I use a 50 micron element in the primary filter and a 20 micron in the secondary. Works great. Nice clear water. Between 2 and 3 months the water pressure will drop. I know it's time to change the filters. I have tried other types of filters, but none filter as good and as long as the membrane solutions.